Hello everybody, this is Jeremy Garvin from the Car Report. Today we're going to be reviewing the 2020 Jaguar XE. If you like this review, please subscribe. I'll be trying to do a video every Sunday. This is the window sticker for the vehicle we'll be reviewing today. Like I said before, it's a 2020 Jaguar XE. This model in particular is the 250S all-wheel drive. Some notable features include the Narvik black paint, the 19-inch rims. It does have the cold climate package, which includes the heated seats as well as the heated steering wheel. And it also has the Meridian 380-watt sound system and wireless charging for your cell phone. Under the hood we have Jaguar's Ingenium engine. It's a 2-liter UK-built turbocharged engine that puts out 246 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, 269 pound-feet of torque between 1,200 and 4,500 RPM. Motor Trend did test this vehicle. 0 to 60 happens in only 6.2 seconds. Now I'm going to do a cold start of the vehicle. I do apologize for the poor sound quality. This is being recorded on a Google Pixel phone. In the future, I will have some better audio equipment. As you guys could hear, this thing does sound pretty good. On cold starts, you're hovering right around 1,500 to 1,600 RPM. It does stay there for quite a while. Once the vehicle does warm up to its normal operating temperature, I'll try to get a video with some revs in it for you guys. Now we're just going to do a quick walk around of the vehicle. You can see it's optional HID headlights. It's optional 19-inch wheels. And those 19-inch wheels are wrapped in Pirelli low-profile tires. As you come around back, nice dual exhaust outlets. Now we're going to look at the exterior of the vehicle once it's lit up at night. This is something that most auto reviewers don't take a look at. I think it's a pretty important feature. You can see the HID headlights on the vehicle, which look really nice. And this Jaguar emblem that shoots out from the bottom of the mirror looks really nice, illuminated at night. As you walk back to the back of the vehicle, nice full LED taillights. I'll show you inside the trunk right now, show you what that looks like. There is 14.5 cubic feet of volume in the back trunk area. Not a huge amount, but adequate, I would say. I'm going to take a walk inside the vehicle. I'll show you what the inside looks like at night. The ZF 8-speed transmission. I'm going to start it up. Pretty cool animation. It's kind of a half analog, half digital tachometer and speedometer. You see the latest Jaguar infotainment system. And down here you have your modes: Sport mode, Eco, Comfort. So I'm going to switch it over here to Eco. Changes the screen to green. Changes some of the parameters of the engine. And we'll also go down to Dynamic, which will turn the gauge cluster red, and alter the throttle position, as well as traction control, stuff of that nature. You can see some nice ambient light in there on the handles. Now I'm going to show you guys what the back seat is like in this vehicle. Only 5'6", so I'd be comfortable in pretty much anything, but this will give you a rough idea of what it looks like. So back here you have a little net to hold your belongings on the back of the seat. You can see you have adequate leg room, and there's tons of room underneath for your feet, so even if you're a larger person, you have plenty of room. If you look to the left, you have the nice aluminum Meridian speakers, and if you look down here, there is a 12-volt outlet, although there is no USBs. Down here, if you pull down the center armrest, you will see dual cup holders. Overall, pretty nice place to be. Now that I got the car all warmed up, let me rev up the vehicle so you guys can hear how it sounds. Vehicle's in dynamic mode, going to go up to about 5,000 RPM.
I'm just going to go on a quick ride so you guys can see my point of view. Headlights very good on this vehicle. This vehicle is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, like most vehicles these days. Steering feel is nicely weighted on the vehicle. See, all the buttons are nicely illuminated on the steering wheel as well, which is nice. One thing I do like about the Jaguar is the infotainment system is very easy to use. Apologize for my heavy breathing in the video. Like I said, I don't have the best equipment as of right now. Shifts are relatively quick from the ZF 8-speed automatic. Noise is pretty well isolated. You can see I just went over that cobblestone bridge. Not much noise into the cabin. Soon I'm going to be going down a back road where I can show you guys the performance of the vehicle and the 0 to 60. Again, a very nice smooth ride, nice steering feel. Now we're on this back road. Nobody around, just a bunch of trees, and hopefully no deer jump out. I'm going to show you the 0 to 60 on this vehicle. Keep in mind this isn't the best road. Managed a 0 to 60 of 6.9. Just driving down this back road here, show you guys how the handling is on the vehicle. Overall, really impressed. Vehicle does handle extremely flat. I have driven the previous version of this vehicle, the 2019 XE, with the supercharged 3-liter V6. And I gotta say, I prefer driving the 4-cylinder just due to the lighter weight on the nose. Makes turning a lot easier, a lot sharper. Not going too hard here. This is a residential area, but just wanted to show you guys some tight corners with the vehicle. So far, fuel economy also has been very impressive with the vehicle. On a highway, average well over 30 miles per gallon. The vehicle does have a nice sound when you bring it out. Just want to show you guys the infotainment really quick. It is a 12.3-inch touchscreen. You can see it's very responsive when you do hit the right button. Basically, you have your media, your phone, and your navigation. Very simple. Down here you have your climate control knobs, change your temperature, and when you push in you can also adjust your heated and cooled seats. This one does not come with cooled, only heated. Only complaint here is the volume knob, which I don't know why they would put it to the right hand side of the shifter. Kind of annoying to get to. They should swap it with the mode selector. And my only other complaints are the key. It's absolutely huge, size of a cell phone. And also the USBs. I don't know why they would put them all the way back in the center cubby there. I believe it should be in front of the shifter, but I guess they had to place the wireless charge in there. Thank you so much, everybody that watched. Please subscribe to the Car Report. That way I keep you up to date with the latest car news and reviews. Thank you.